Yes, hello. How are you? Hope you're doing well. Yes, today we are going to explain a little bit. We're going to look some pairs and how we are expecting to them to react on coming weeks. Yeah, before that, you're going to look on this pair of gold against the USD. But before saying so, I would like you to like, to share, also to subscribe in our channel of Green Pips FX, so that when you release new video, you can be aware of that. Okay. Now today I'm going to explain a little bit and explain how we expect the market to do on this pair of gold and the other pairs. Okay. From now you see that the price was making through the floor, highs, low, highs until it came to break here. But that was not enough. It went up and came back around here, it broke this 4-hour break of structure, 4-hour structure over here, hence making this one as our 4-hour break of structure. That being said, this has become an alert for us that we are expecting the price to come and trigger some points around here so that we go downward. Also, that was not fair enough, because when you come to higher time frame like daily, it shows the exact that we're expecting. Yeah, if you come near higher time frame like daily here, you see that the price was making series of highs and low, and this was high, this was low, this was high, and this was low. We expect that the price to make a certain high around here before going downward. Due to that, also if you come to time frame like weekly, it show that the past few weeks, the past week, the price was making the price tried to make another high around here, but failed and end up being bearish. On top of that, due to the back history, we see that, and we expect that this week, we expect that this pair might go bearish for a certain time, after this break here. Due to that, my view on this pair is sure that we are going to have a little bit bearish on this pair. But this video on how we can take this study around here, I will show you next time. But today we are just explaining a little bit that how we are going to see the opportunities on this pair and how to work on them after this break. I mean, we are just explaining that what are the opportunities we're expecting to see this week. Also, I'm still reminding you that if you want, I'm still reminding you if you to subscribe in our channel for more videos. Okay, now we proceed for more coming videos. Now we proceed with other pairs like if you come in this pair this pair USD CHF around here. If you come to this pair in 4-hour, it shows that the price failed to make another high around here. But what we expect? We expect that the price to come here to make another to close below here, so that after closing below here, this will come for our break of structure around here. Hence, we can expect to take some trade around here, either in 50 minutes or 3 minutes invalidation point before going upward. And why do we anticipate that? We anticipate that due to the following reason. Because if you come in the time frame, it shows that we're expecting the price to come low and test some point before going upward. But that's not fair enough. Why do you say that that's not fair enough? Because if you see this one, this was low, this was high, and this was low, and we break. Due to this break around here, it tells us that we're expecting a big, huge movement on this pair. I mean, we expect a big, huge buy on this pair due to this break of structure on the time frame. Since this was low and this was high and this was low, and we broke the structure. And like you know, if you broke the structure, we expect it to go and test 50 minutes to go and find 1 hour break of trend, also 15 minutes break of trend, also 15 minutes invalidation point before going downward. But that was not fair enough. If you come also in a weekly time frame here, you see that it's the last week candle here, like you see, the last week candle, it broke. This is an indication that we are. This is the little and the big indication for that we are going to buy this pair. But this cannot be taken that after. But this cannot be taken as an advantage for this current time, since we are just waiting for this for our to come and close, or for our just come and make this pattern here by closing around here. Also coming and find some points of 50 missing validation point, of the missing validation point, or either the missing validation or hidden point before going upward. So that being said, we are pretty sure that this pair is going to be bullish for a little while due to first daily break. Also, the second point is the weekly break. Now we see two things, that you should see break of structure in weekly, also in daily. We expect a certain move. Why do we say that? The break have been broken by saying that we are featuring another phase, we are going to another phase. On top of that, for our we expect it to break and make for our break of structure. If it happens in a good way, you are going to take your trade either in the missing validation point, or new validation point, or hidden validation point. So we have two pairs now. We have pair of gold, we have pair of USD CHF. That's not enough. Also, if we come in this pair of USD card around here, also USD card in 4 hour time frame, you can see it. You can see how it says that we are just waiting for this pair to come and close down here. Closing this will be a good indication for us to come and find that some points here in lower time frame of 3 minutes, to find either 3 minutes invalidation point, or 3 minutes new validation point, or 3 minutes hidden validation point. But we can't do that until we see this candle come and close above here. Why do we say that? This is because this point, why do we say that? Because this is aligned with the following, with the following structure, how it is being shown in lower time frame. Like you see in daily, we have broken the structure, telling that we have shifted this correction phase. So this is break as we are going upward to the downward. Also, if you come in weekly time frame, you see that the structure it broken, and and we expect it to go high. Why? Because this low here was higher than this one. The same applies. So this one shows that in this low, in this zone here, there is a certain push for us to go upward. So like I say, we are still waiting for this pair to come and close below here and make for a break of structure, whereby it will allow us to come and find some points here in lower time frame, like 3 minutes, so we can continue being upward. That's and top of that, if you come and look to GBP USD, we are just waiting also for it to come and close above here. After closing above here, this will be a good sign for us, because it will be a good for us, since we could have been broken for our structure. Yeah, that be accompanied, we still expecting it to that be accompanied. If you try to compare this USD pair and this here and this XXX USDs, also this USD pairs, it seems that they are aligning. You see, it seems that they are aligning. Like if you look on gold, like this one, you see that they are aligning. Like if you see, and if you look on Australian dollar, it shows that they are aligning. We're just waiting for it to break to close here. The same applies to other pairs of USD, like Euro USD, like you see here. We're just waiting for it to come close here above here, so that we can find some points down here in lower time frame. Also, the same applies to gold here. Gold have already broken the structure. Okay, so if you try to compare these USD pairs and these XXX USD pairs, it shows they are aligning, that we are waiting for XX USD pairs to break the structure, so that we can take a sell trade. Also, we are looking for this USDXX pairs to break the structure so that we can take a buy trade. So you see that they see something like they are relating. So that's why sometimes I usually take some few pairs so that I can confuse them when comparing the structure. So guys, I'm sure that this little bit information will help you a lot to look on this pair. Yeah, I don't think I can explain more pairs, but for today I'll just end up there because I just wanted you to give you an alert that how the market is going now and what do we expect in the coming days. Okay, that being said, I would like to say thank you guys, and I would like you to remind to continue subscribing our Daily Pips FX channel so that if you release new content, you'll be aware. So also don't forget to like our channel. Also don't forget to share to others so that they can get the same content that you're getting from us. Also leave a comment if there's something wrong you didn't understand so that we can work on it. Thank you. Meet you next time.